Teachers Association of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences Ta-Jnims has officially released its White Paper number 1, bringing urgent attention to an escalating operational crisis, infrastructure deficits and administrative paralysis at Manipur's premier state-run medical institution. Speaking at a press conference at Ta-Jnims Hall at Manipur Press Club, Teachers Association of Ta-Jnims General Secretary Pahel Meite Soibam explained that the document addresses the widening communication gap between doctors, patients and the general public. Topmost issue among the association's concerns is the absence of a permanent director following the previous 10 years expiration. Operating under a temporary bureaucrat as director in charge has severely stalled administrative decisions and compromised the academic careers of MBBS, A&M and junior doctor students due to delayed signatures on essential examination certifications. Compounding these governance issues are severe resource shortages across Ta-Jnims departments, where lack of basic medical equipment prevents clinicians from delivering adequate care. This environment has increasingly strained doctor-patient relationships, resulting in public hostility that has driven several doctors to resign. Furthermore, despite implementation of 7th Pay Commission, faculty and healthcare staff continue to face incomplete salary disbursements. Divided into 4 comprehensive sections, White Paper number 1 addresses healthcare governance, communication breakdowns, Ta-Jnims case study and a roadmap for reform. The document will remain open to the public for 1 month to gather feedback and expert opinions, which will ultimately help shape future healthcare policy across Manipur.
Absorption process Manipur government ki employees की direct policy da कोई की Ta-Jnims के employees की absorb तो की process है हौजी full हुई थी अदुन मरम का कोई की तोलोब चांगना न फंगदे अदुगा हाना को हांदे की कोई ना मराक सिदा तोलोब की मतंग द पंजाबी आबा मना कोई की न फंगे वो तोलोब से हम पिक पर तोलोब नहीं समझना रिम्स के इग्नोर कर दी चौराकना तंखाय में खेने रंबिया exact figure बदी खंगदर को सुयाम खेने ही है जरी अदुगा matang sida atopa thamjaning bo wafam amana 7 pay commission ki si khone implement taw matamda atopa state government ki employees sing khoi gi aduga state Manipur health service ki doctors sing damakta di 1st January 2016 dagi implement taw nationally paisa phangba area ka ki phangba du budi 2019 dagi hogi 1st April dagi Ta-Jnims ki onadi 1st August 2021 dagi khaktang implement taw aduna 7 pay commission matang question de Ta-Jnims si koina या ध्यान मरु ओइद्रब्रा Ta-Jnims तौरिब थबक से कोई मयाम की सेवानी मी कनबा मी नाबा फन बगी कोई थबक नी सी याम मरु ओइदब थबक